Our YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 52-inch antique brass Encon Monterrey ceiling fan dated February 1997. Now, as you can see, I flipped the blades over to the cane side, but I kind of like it better with the cane side because it makes the ceiling fan look more vintage. Now, as you can see, I'm going to move this blade out the way so you can see it. As you can see, that the motor housing is actually a copy of the motor housing of a SMC Emperor ceiling fan. As you can see, them shells on the motor housing got like them Victorian badges on there, and it got like a Victorian style canopy on it. So here's what it looks like with the original canopy and the original down rod. So other than that, that's all what I have to say. So the features is that it's 4 blades only, and it has the blades are either oak wood or medium oak, and then the other side of the blades are walnut, which really what gets me right here. So other than that, I'm about to go on to demonstrate this fan, starting off with low. Now, as you can see, that the pull chain for the fan is like really long because I didn't even cut the pull chain shorter and stuff for a reason and stuff. I don't know why I didn't cut it, or I might know why I didn't cut it. Probably because I'm gonna be putting a light kit on the fan, and I don't know how short the pull chain gonna be and stuff, or whether it's gonna be longer enough or not. But with the original mounting hardware and stuff, well, the only part that's not original to the fan is the ceiling plate type mounting bracket, and the motor is not original to the fan. And all the electrical parts that goes to the motor are also not original to the fan. But I used all the electrical parts that actually went to the motor, like the capacitor and the pull chain switch and the reversing switch. So that way that the motor can work and stuff. And the reason why I put a different motor on this fan because the original motor for the fan, it only worked only on high speed. And when I put it on medium, the ceiling fan will stall out. And then when I put it on low, the ceiling fan will stop humming with the original motor. But other than that, I'm about to go on and put it on medium. And then due to the fact that I have the original canopy and stuff on this thing doesn't wobble as bad. This thing doesn't wobble as much as it did when I had it installed on the non-original mounting hardware. Even though the blades are kind of warped. Because like as you can see inside the canopy, it got that little clamp thing that actually clamps the ball socket in place to actually keep the ceiling fan from wobbling. That's how Encon made their mounting hardwares, which is pretty unique. But I'm going to try to show you guys what the original motor looks like at the end of the video if I don't forget. Because half the time I said that I'm going to show you guys the original parts to this and that kind of ceiling fan. And I end up forgetting. So I'm going to try to remind myself to show the original motor that actually went on this fan. So the motor that's actually on this fan came off of a Hampton Bay Courtney ceiling fan that I parted out. As I said in my other video. But it's really not a whole lot I have to say about this fan. Other than the fact that I found this ceiling fan sitting at the curve. Not too far from where my auntie stay at. And I'm not going to tell what street it was on because I don't want to reveal the location. And I'm not going to tell what city it was in either. Because I don't want to reveal the location on where I found this fan at. But let me see how much air is blowing on medium. Oh, it's putting out a little breeze on medium right here. I forgot to mention that. But other than that, this is just about medium. And I'm about to go on and put it on high. Now high speed, it wobbles a little, but it's really not noticeable. But I'm trying to hold my phone still just so you can notice the wobble and stuff. Otherwise, it might not be noticeable. Otherwise, it's not really noticeable on camera as it is in person. So it kind of does look like that is well balanced on camera, but it's really not. But other than that, I just about ran out of what I had to say about this fan. So I just go on and finish. So I just go on and finish up this video. And I'm about to go on and put it on fan off. Hold on a second, let me stop the blades. And then it's also reversible too. So here is high. But it kind of does have a bearing noise to it. Has a little bearing noise to it. Then this is medium. And then this is low. Oh, that ceiling fan knocked that wasp down. And this is off. Other than that, that's all what I'm going to show you for right now. So, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.